Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Building a multi-step form in Next.js using React Hook Form and ZID for validation is a great way to enhance user experience and ensure data integrity. Below is a step-by-step tutorial that covers everything you need to know to set up a multi-step form. Prerequisites. 1. Next.js. Make sure you have a Next.js application set up. If you don't, you can create one using the following command. Bash npx create next app at latest my multi-step form. cd my multi-step form. To install necessary packages, you will need React Hook Form for form handling and ZID for validation. Bash npm install React Hook Form ZID. Step 1. Create the form structure. Create a folder named Components in your project root and add a file named multistepform.js. This will contain the multi-step form logic. JSX / components / multistepform.js. Import React, uses state from React. Import useForm, controller from React Hook Form. Import Z from ZID. Import ZID resolver from @hookform/resolvers/ZID. Const schema step 1 equals z.object. First name, z.string, .min, 1, first name is required. Last name, z.string, .min, 1, last name is required. Const schema step 2 equals z.object. Email, z.string, .email, invalid email address, .nonempty, email is required. Phone, z.string, .nonempty, phone number is required. Const multi-step form equals. Const step, set step equals uses state, 0. Const control handle submit. Form state, errors. Trigger equals useForm. Resolver, ZID resolver, step equals 0, schema step 1, schema step 2. Const onSubmit equals, data, equals. If, step equals 0. Console.log, step 1 data, Set step, 1. Else. Console.log, final data, / here you can handle final submission, example send data to an API. Return. Form onSubmit equals handle submit, onSubmit. Step equals 0 and. Div. H2 step 1 / H2. Div. Label first name / label. Controller. Name equals first name. Control equals control. Render equals, field, equals input, field / errors. First name and p errors. First name message / p div. Label last name / label. Controller. Name equals last name. Control equals control. Render equals, field, equals input, field / errors. Last name and p errors. Last name message / p div. Div. Step equals 1 and. Div. H2 step 2 / H2. Div. Label email / label. Controller. Name equals email. Control equals control. Render equals, field, equals input, field / errors. Email and p errors. Email message / p div. Div. Label phone / label. Controller. Name equals phone. control. Render equals, field, equals input, field slash. Errors.phone and p errors.phone.message/p /div button type equals button on click equals set step 0 step 1 step back /button type equals submit step equals 0 next submit /button /form export default multi-step form. Step 2, use the multi-step form component. Next, you need to use the multi-step form component in your Next.js application. Open the pages/index.js file, or pages/index.tsx if you are using TypeScript, and import the multi-step form component. JSX /pages/index.js. Import multi-step form from /components/multi-step form. Export default function home. Return div h1 multi-step form example /h1 multi-step form /div. Step 3, run your application. Now that you have everything set up, you can run your Next.js application using the following command: bash npm run dev. Navigate to http://localhost 3000 in your browser, and you should see your multi-step form. You can fill out the fields and navigate between the steps. Conclusion: you have now created a functional multi-step form using Next.js, React Hook Form, and Zed for validation. You can expand this example by adding more fields, styling your form with CSS, or integrating it with a backend API for data submission. Additional enhancements. Styling: you can use CSS modules, styled components, or any CSS framework like Tailwind CSS to style your form. Dynamic steps: consider implementing more dynamic steps based on user input. Error handling: better error handling can be added to manage form submission errors. This should give you a solid foundation to build more complex forms in your Next.js applications.